back in the Lanark Highlands trying to catch some fish. We're targeting perch, crappie, pike. It's big.
Nice one. No!
What a day this is going to be.
Got him. Beautiful fish. That's a big walleye. Awesome, awesome colors on this guy. What is going on, everybody, and welcome back to a tough country ice fishing video. I'm back in the Lanark Highlands trying to catch some fish. We're targeting perch, crappie, pike. Who knows what else is biting in this lake. There's a lot of different fish species. Could see some walleye. It is middle of the day now, so highly unlikely, but you never know. Dude, it's even a nicer day today than 2 days ago.
Oh yeah, it's warmer. It's like 10 degrees.
Did you do the old flag technique? It's a decent minnow on there. Fish on. Fish on. It's pretty decent. Oh, it's not bad. Oh no, we're stuck on the ice. Oh, there we go. Watch out, Luke. Oh! Luke, you're gonna get clocked, bro. Luke! You're all gonna get clocked. I'm gonna get clocked. Oh yeah, we'll take that for my first fish of the day right there, y'all. On the old dead minnow tip-up. This lake has been good to us in the past for pike, so. All right, show you guys quick. Not a bad first fish, eh, Luke? Not bad, guys. Okay, let's get him back. Well, that was freaking sick. Do I put on like a massive shiner now and just see what happens?
Might as well.
Like something like this? Can you guys see?
Oh yeah.
We're gonna try a bigger shiner this time. See if we can trigger a big happy fish. In the hole. Oh man, first drop with that. That's epic. This thing is a perch slayer, man. That did not take long at all. What is going on, everybody, and welcome back to a tough country ice fishing video. I'm back in the Lanark Highlands trying to catch some fish. We're targeting perch, crappie, pike. But yeah, it's been a good morning so far. I've already caught a pike on the tip-up, got a perch in the hut. It's shaping up to be a good day. But yeah, it's going to be fun today, man. I'm excited. Ian's here, Doyle's here again. I got all the dogs here, Scout, Maggie, Luke. It's going to be a really fun day on the ice. I'm running a light action rod in here because I'm mainly targeting panfish. And I'm using this new bait I just got. It's 1/8 ounce in weight, and it's got a chain with a little hook that I have worm on. And first drop on the first mark I saw, I got the perch. So hopefully this will be a game changer for me today, and I'm going to catch a bunch of fish. I'd love to get into some crappie, but we're going to see what happens today. It's going to be a lot of fun. So stick around, and I hope you guys enjoy the video. There he is. Took him a little bit to bite, but he wanted it. Oh, that's a nice bluegill, man. Holy crap. That is a big freaking bluegill. Take a look at this fish, y'all. Take a look at that thing. That's a nice fish right there, y'all. Beauty. Scout likes the taste of that one. So do I. It's already shaping up to be pretty good for your boy. We've had 2 marks and we've caught 2 fish, so. I always try to bring the dogs a nice little snack when we're out ice fishing, keep them a little calm in the hut. Today, we got some big bones. This thing looks so good, I almost want it. Scout, you have one. This is for Luke. Little guy. Little dude. There's a big school of fish down there though, so I want to get back down there quick. This bait is killing it for me today, man. This lure, it's working magic. Let's drop back down. Hopefully the school's still around. That's the beauty of this bait, is that you can drop down so quick because it's heavy, but it's still a very micro presentation for these panfish. Man, that school moved out quick though. That school moved out quick. Oh, hammered it. That's not a bad one. That's my biggest perch today. It's not a bad little perch. I'll take that all day. Not bad, y'all. Look at that fish. That's a beauty. Not bad at all. I will take that all day. Oh. Oh my God, what the hell? There we go. Little perch. Drop back down quick. The lure is naked, but we're going to try it anyways, because that school is right under the hole. We'll see if this thing prevails with no bait on it. We got to get the worm back on there. They want the worm, man. And I don't blame them. It really pays to be quick when you're pan fishing. These fish are cruising looking for food, so having a heavy bait like what I got on, it just makes a big difference. You can get down really quick and hopefully catch 1, 2, 3 fish out of a school before they move on. This was not the case. I should have rebaited right as I landed that first fish, but I wanted to try to drop down and see if I could catch them with no bait, and it didn't work, so the school had time to move on. But if I had rebaited right away, I probably would have got a few. I'm eating and the fish are eating. Not bad. I think I got it, maybe. There's a fish. Oh, we'll take that, baby. We moved up shallow because I wasn't getting marks out in the deeper water. So I moved up way shallow. I'm in like 8 feet of water right now. And first fish down here. It's been a while since I caught a fish, so pretty stoked about that. And there is a ton of marks down there, so we're not going to play around. We're going to get right back down there, try to catch another one. There we go. Nice. We're on a school of bluegill and pumpkin seeds. Look at that, baby. No complaints about that. You're going to make it so I can't set the hook. How am I going to set the hook with you right there, dude? Okay. That might be the ticket, y'all. What I did there was I dumped it beneath bottom because I'm in some weeds. And that fish clobbered it. Didn't mark him. Didn't see nothing, but just dropped it beneath the weed line, and yeah, they're down there. Uh-oh. On the buddy heater. Another fish in the weeds, man. Nothing crazy big, but fun fish. Look, you like that? There we go, y'all. We're hitting them. Nothing crazy, but hopefully something more crazy comes around. Buddy, you were stunted. That's big. That's big. That's freaking big on a small hook. On a small little hook. It's a big fish. Gotta play this good, because that is a big fish. Got a big pike on that little bait. I haven't seen it yet, but it feels massive. It's such a small hook. It's fighting real big, guys. I haven't gained on it at all.
No.
It's like pulling hard.
Okay, let me step over to the big pike or walleye.
I think it's a pike.
On the little spoon hook?
Yeah, dude.
Yeah.
It's scary.
Yeah, there's not much to those hooks. You're on the ice there, Ryan. Just be careful.
Oh yeah, I am too, eh?
You going in, Maggie? Get in. When you go. No?
I haven't even seen it yet, dude. Like, I haven't gained on it at all.
Oh, I see it. It's a pike.
Is it nice?
It looks nice.
He's right there. Yeah, yeah.
That's a nice one.
Don't lose him, man.
That's a nice one, Ryan.
Dude, that's epic. He just hammered it. Didn't even mark him. It's crazy that he didn't eat my tip-up, though. That's right beside me. Try to get
His head turns.
Oh. Is it a good one?
It looks pretty good. It's fat, man. It's fat.
It's fighting hard, eh?
Dude, it's been crazy this whole time. I don't want to lose him, man. I need Doyle to take a photo of it. Oh my God, look at that thing. Get his head up, get his head up, get his head up, get his head up, get his head up.
I got him.
Oh. Oh!
He swam out.
Dude!
Oh my God.
Dude!
He had to, man. I got his head up.
That's sick.
Dude, that's a tank pike for here, man.
That's a nice one. Sick, dude.
Dude, that's crazy. I was gonna put on a big rattle bait to screw around.
What the fuck?
Yeah.
Look how small that hook is.
No.
Oh, he's bleeding. Look at that pike, man.
Oh
Holy cow. The boys helped me out with that one.
That's a chunk.
What a beauty fish. That is my biggest pike out of this lake for sure, man.
Look at the shoulders on it.
Unreal, dude. Let's get a good look at this fish. He's bleeding a bit, but we'll get him back quick. That's a nice pike. Holy cow.
Thank you, Scout.
Man, oh man, guys. Check that thing out. One more look, and we're getting it back in the hole. What a beauty. That's epic. Man, oh man, that's a nice pike. Come on, big girl. Whew. Unreal. What a way to end the day for me, man. Holy cow.
Super cool.
Oh.
Now you gotta stay.
I know, I might give it another 20.
Gotta stay for another,
Dude, he dogged you, eh? On that
Dude, dude,
Yeah.
as soon as I set the hook and he didn't
You
move.
realized what he was doing, and you had that little teeny hook in there.
Yeah, dude, I hooked him, and then it just was like, it stopped.
Yeah.
And then it just went,
That's so crazy.
No,
Yeah.
I've caught some pike on those too with the little hooks.
unreal, dude.
Everything eats them.
That's
Love
so
those fish.
sick. That was pure insanity. That was one of the scariest fights I've ever had for a northern pike. Light action rod to begin with. Not ideal for a fish of that size. And the bait I'm using has the world's smallest freaking hook on it. Because it's not made for fish like that. It's made for panfish. Like, I'll show you the hook here. It is super, super tiny. Luckily, it was hooked perfectly in that fish. Right in the corner of his mouth. I don't know if you guys can see that. That's what I caught that frickin' pike on. Look how small that hook is. Absolutely tiny. Little panfish hook. Nice looking bait though. It's got a lot of flash to it. Wiggles, lots of movement. Pike will eat it. But it's not ideal because that hook is so small. And then you put the light action rod into the mix because I'm primarily targeting panfish. Whew, that was chaos. The crazy thing is I have a Tipup literally right beside me with a big piece of minnow on it. A full dead minnow. That pike didn't want that. He wanted this exact setup. That little bait with worm. That's what he was after when he could have had a whole minnow. Pretty crazy. Well guys, that pike might have been the last fish for me in this video. I'm probably going to get ready to head out here soon. We got a big snowfall coming and I want to get out of here before the roads get too bad. But it was a lot of fun out here with the dogs, caught a lot of fish, and that big pike really rounded out the day for me. That was freaking awesome to catch a fish like that on a light action rod, little bait, good fight, and just absolutely hammered it. It was hands down the best pike I've caught this season, and it was super, super fun on this rod. Well, that fish was not the last one for me. That probably is. There we go. I'm back on the fish. So I guess that pike must have been around for a while, I would assume. Scared all these guys away. All the perch, bluegills. Because I caught the pike not that long ago. And the panfish are back and they're biting. Jeez. I haven't even marked a fish for a while. That fish just came out of nowhere. Quite literally, out of nowhere. Another gorgeous yellow perch. No complaints here, man. Well, maybe there's a school here now. Catch a couple more fish before I get out of here. That'd be sweet. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button and leave a comment below letting us know what you liked about the video. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, make sure to subscribe because we're trying to drop content as often as we can. Thank you all for watching, and we'll see you on the ice.